At the same time, coffin makers in Jakarta have been overwhelmed with endless orders as COVID-19 deaths continue to spike. The surge in demand has led to a shortfall in raw materials and higher prices for plywood. Chani Vadvani with this report.
It's been a tiring day for 45-year-old Suherman, who makes 2-meter-long coffins all day along with his colleagues. Making these coffins is labor-intensive, and in recent weeks, these men have had to work overtime, going as late as 10 p.m. or even later on some days. Each is sold to hospitals for between $40 to $55 despite the tedious and laborious process. Indonesia is in the throes of its battle against COVID-19, exacerbated by the highly contagious Delta variant. Pre-pandemic, the men would make about 5 coffins a day. Now, they make 6 times more per day, or over 200 coffins a week, and have had to add at least 2 more people to help with this increasing workload.
Bisa 30, 25. Yang sebelumnya nih, dari minggu ini nih, itu bisa 25, 20, dan suka-suka 15. Kita nyampe telat kayak barang, ketiplek gitu. Telat biasanya datang pas waktunya nih, suka telat setengah jam, 1 jam.
For suppliers, raw materials can cost at least double because of the surge in demand. But for some families here at Rorotan Public Cemetery in North Jakarta, the lag in coffin supply has made the bitter memory of burying their loved ones even more harrowing. This cemetery has been specially set as a burial space for COVID-19 related deaths. And with 3 hectares of land prepared, the area can accommodate over 7,000 grave plots. Personnel say there have been upwards of 200 burials a day in recent weeks. One of them a relative of local community leader Eni Andrianingsi. Miss Eni says it's been stressful worrying about how long she'd have to wait for coffins and ambulances.
Gimana? Belum, Bu. Masih nunggu dulu. Waiting karena banyak yang mesti diurus di rumah sakit tersebut itu. Jadi menunggu, kebetulan meninggal hari Sabtu. Lalu akhirnya baru hari Minggu siang dapat ambulan dan peti matinya dibawa ke Depok. Ya sudah, alhamdulillah sudah berjalan lancar. Tapi ya syukurlah, alhamdulillah. Malah katanya ada yang sampai 3-4 hari, Mbak.
As Indonesia continues to reel from the effects of the Delta variant, President Joko Widodo has called for more aggressive handling.
Angka kematian harus ditekan semaksimal mungkin, dan untuk daerah-daerah yang memiliki angka kematian yang tinggi, peningkatan kapasitas rumah sakit, isolasi terpusat, dan juga ketersediaan oksigen perlu ditingkatkan segera.
But with a lack of supplies, slow vaccination rates, and many in local communities still unwilling to adhere to health protocols, it may be some time before Indonesia is able to effectively rein in the disease. Chani Vadvani, CNA, Jakarta.